Right, today I'm in Bath. I'm at the Z Hotel. I booked it inside Queen, and we'll have a look what looks like, shall we? As you can see, that's the Queen bed. But first of all, got your peephole there, full length mirror as well, and then you've got your fire escape there. And this your light switch for your bathroom, on off. You've got a plug socket there. You've got your bed, which nice comfy pillows. That's feather. That's a firm one. So of course, as you know, previous videos, you know I can't have feather pillows, so but at least I got choice. So let's take a look. So you've got a mattress protector there. And yeah, and this hotel's literally in the centre of Bath as well. So I've already switched the telly on because I didn't want to be faffing about. So this is actually a smart TV. So as you can see, it's like it works. Yeah, it works. That's the main thing. But yeah, let's switch that off. And as you can see, it's quite a big bed. And you've got a bin under there and room for your suitcase as well if you've got a suitcase. You've got coat hangers there and coat hooks. Yeah, excuse my coat. And then you've got the kettle. Let's have a look. Yeah, clean. Then you've got these coffee bags. You've got 2 milks and clean cups as well. You've got chamomile tea and everyday tea. You've got your sugar sweeteners, coffee there, and you've got oat milk, which is good. And also you've got complimentary water also. So there you go. And then we've got this desk area, which got a stool there, a bit stained. And then, right, let's take a look at this bathroom now. As you can see, you can see into the other room there. So yeah, so you've got glass door there. So yeah, as you can see, I will show you. So you can watch your partner have a shower whilst you're watching the TV. You even watch your partner on the toilet as well. So yes, I stayed in one in London in Piccadilly. So yeah, right, we've got the shower here. So we're going to take a look at this pressure, shall we? Okay. Yeah. That's it. And then we've got this sink there. Thought that was hairs then. It's not. So yeah. And then toilet roll. Yeah, floor towel I gathered for the shower. Yeah. Toilet. clean. Yeah. Yeah, definitely clean. Toilet roll, spare toilet roll, toilet brush and a bin. And you've got hair and body wash here. It's different with watercress extract and soap as well. And then you've got your towels there and a hook there. So, yeah, advisable to have the door shut. Look at the mess I've made. Look, it's all wet now. I've got wet prints everywhere. But yeah, so it's a slidey door. So yeah, and then also where that's your lights and all off. Your lights back on. There's your dim lights. And that one. Your reading lights. So it's just those two. And then got nighttime lights as well. I don't know what that is on for. Oh, that's your shower light. So you can turn your shower on and off. And then you got your air conditioning there. So, but yeah. Right, I paid £57 for this room for the night. We're on a Monday night as well, because prices are different on a weekend. I believe they're quite a lot more on weekend, but as you can see, there's no window in this room, but that's because it's an inside room and you pay a bit more as well for thingy. But they do a double room which is cheaper than this, but there was none available at the time. So, but yeah, let me know what you think. Very basic, but like I said, it's right in the city centre of Bath. I didn't show you either. It's like this double plug socket here with 2 USB points as well. I actually found a dryer in here as well. It's right at the back, so yeah. So they've got a hairdryer in here too. So yeah, let me know what you think. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.